Hey everybody, I'm Bryce and this is my 2022 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. So I bought the new Trail Boss because they offered the 3-liter Duramax inside of it, as well as the refreshed interior with the larger screen, and everything is just a lot better integrated in my opinion. So right now this is my daily driver. My family and I love to go two-tracking, sand dunes, whatever there is to offer in Michigan. We like to go outdoors, off-road, and be in the thick of all the trees and two tracks. So the Trail Boss from factory is already a good package. I wanted more performance out of my suspension, so that's why I went with Zone Off-Road. So I went with the 1 3/4 inch lift on this truck so that I could bring up my front end and fit these really nice 35s underneath here. So I did my research online and I went with this specific lift kit because of the consideration for the drivetrain, the upper control arms, and the CVs. The cheaper options that are out there did not, and I was not comfortable putting my truck at that risk. Also, the truck still drives like it's from factory. So I already knew going into buying the Silverado that the upper control arms were an issue. When I saw that Zone Off-Road offered a heavy-duty upper control arm with this kit, that's what really sold me. So I also went with the Nitto Ridge Grapplers on here. It's a great all-around tire for everyday use, whether you're driving on the road, off-roading on the weekends with your family. That's what really, I thought, completed this truck for tire-wise. Then for a wheel, I went with the Black Rhino Arsenals. The Arsenals give it that good military-esque look that I was going for to complete the truck, as well as not keeping any heat, just really trapped inside of the wheel, and it actually dissipates really well too. So I've owned anything from Toyotas to Jeeps to Fords. The Chevy Trail Boss is definitely my favorite, especially now that I have the Zone Off-Road kit underneath. I know that I can go into any trail or any dune and have the confidence that the suspension will hold up to what I need it to. If you guys want to lift your truck, make sure you check out the guys at Zone Off-Road.